Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to UK Tech Genius. Today, we're diving into the fascinating and sometimes spooky world of deepfake AI technology. Ever wondered how those ultra-realistic fake videos are made? Stick around, and we'll break it all down in simple, easy-to-understand terms. Let's get started. What is deepfake AI technology? Deepfake AI technology uses artificial intelligence to create hyper-realistic videos where someone's face or voice is swapped with another's. The term deepfake comes from deep learning, a type of machine learning, and fake, because the content created isn't real, even though it looks and sounds like it is. How do deepfakes work? Deepfakes are made using deep learning algorithms, particularly generative adversarial networks, GANs. Here's a simple breakdown. Imagine two AIs playing a game. One AI, called the generator, creates fake images or videos. The other AI, called the discriminator, tries to spot the fakes. Over time, the generator gets better at creating realistic fakes that can fool the discriminator. This back-and-forth process produces highly convincing fake videos. Uses of deepfake technology. Deepfakes can be used for both good and bad purposes. On the positive side, they can create stunning visual effects in movies and help in creating realistic avatars for virtual reality. They also have educational uses, like bringing historical figures to life in documentaries. However, there are darker sides to deepfakes too. They can be used to create fake news, misleading videos, or unauthorized explicit content. This misuse raises ethical and legal concerns, making it important to develop ways to detect and prevent harmful deepfakes. How to spot a deepfake. Spotting a deepfake can be tricky, but there are some telltale signs. Look for unnatural eye movements, mismatched facial expressions, or slight lip sync issues. Sometimes, the lighting and shadows in deepfakes don't match up correctly. As deepfake technology improves, these signs become harder to detect. But staying informed and skeptical of too perfect videos is key. And there you have it. A simple overview of deepfake AI technology. It's a powerful tool with both exciting and concerning possibilities. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to UK Tech Genius for more tech insights and updates. Got questions about deepfakes or any other tech topics? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll be sure to cover them in future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.